Good day, welcome educators. Today we'll be talking about one of the most important tools on AI Teacher, which is Practice Test Generator. The tool is to create practice tests for various subjects and for various types of examinations. So here we'll be diving into the Practice Test Generator. Now, picking the exam type. As we all know, we have different exam types depending on how far you want to use it or how you want to use it. We have SATs, we have TOEFL, we have IELTS, we have GMAT, we have IGCE, we have WAEC, we have JAM, we have GSCE, we have NCEE Nigeria. But today we'll only be talking about WAEC and JAM, WAEC and JAM exam practice. All right. So first and foremost, let's pick the WAEC exam type and do one or two things in it. What we are trying to do today is just to create a practice examination, more or less like a preparation for your examination. All right. So now we're going with WAEC. WAEC is being selected. You have to pick your difficulty level. Okay, I want the exam to be hard. All right. I want the exam to be hard. Number of questions, we'll be going for 20 questions. Preferred language. Now we have different languages here. Different languages have been boxed up here. We have even Spanish, we have French, we have Russian, we have German, we have Chinese. But today we'll only be dealing with English language. All right. And the upload file option. The upload file here is where you'll be given an opportunity to upload your textbook, or you upload a PDF format textbook, or upload any file at all where you want the questions to come from. All right. We'll be working with chemistry. So I'll be uploading a file that is just all about chemistry. That means all the questions that will be set for the practice examination will be from the chemistry PDF that I'll be uploading right now. All right. So click on the choose file. It will redirect me to where my file is for me to upload. Okay. I will be picking this introductory chemistry. Then I'll open. My chemistry PDF is in already. Okay, the topic of my examination, the topic of my test practice. Okay, I'll be going for fundamentals of chemistry, of organic chemistry. The questions that will be here now will be based on this topic, then the topic from the file I just uploaded. The exam questions won't go beyond the inserted topic, and the topic won't go beyond, the exam test won't go beyond the file I uploaded. Now, take for instance, before I proceed, let's go back and do something. Let's clear these things that are inserted. Let's clear everything. Okay, let me clean the number of questions. Let me just leave this one. Let me leave this. Then let me make use of this autofill so you can see what I'm talking about. Now, when I pick autofill selected something automatically by itself. All right. The here I selected something for us automatically. It selected JAM, and it selected the difficulty level, which is easy, number of questions, which is 11, language, which is English language, but the file is the same file I uploaded to it. The fundamentals of organic chemistry is automatically there. The question format, multiple choice, 120 minutes time limit, and the additional note: ensure students have covered hydrocarbons, functional groups, and that is additional note for this practice examination. Let's just go ahead with this autofill. I hope we all understand how you can insert, how you can pick your exam type, your difficulty level. You can type in your number of questions, you can select a language, and you can upload a file of your choice or a textbook of your choice to this platform to generate questions based on the details you uploaded to it. All right. So let's proceed. Let me change this back to WAEC because right now we are working on WAEC questions. So once this is being sorted, you can now click on submit. So after clicking the submit button, now our questions are ready. The WAEC practice test questions are ready. So we can choose to export now, or if you have any corrections to be made on it, you can do that by editing with Zaira. Zaira is an inbuilt bot for AI Teacher platform, where which you can go into Zaira, chat with Zaira, ask Zaira questions, tell Zaira to help you generate anything related to education. Here, Zaira will do that for you very fast, and Zaira goes a very long way with thinking deep with any material given to it as well. You can as well give Zaira a material to generate stuff for you based on that particular material. But now we have questions that we want Zaira to edit with. That means we want Zaira to edit this question, right? If you want to remove something from it, or if you want to add some things to the question, maybe you're not fully okay with the questions generated for you, Zaira can help you do that. So moving on, you can as well save to history. You can save this question to history, where which you can come back to it anytime, any day. You still find the questions in your history session. You can come back a month, in 2 months, in 3 months, you still find the questions there. But now, since the questions have been generated, we can as well export it for use. You can export, then print it out if that's what you want to use it for. Now let's export as PDF. You can do it. You can as well export as Word documents. All right. But right now, let's export as PDF format. Now we are done exporting it as PDF. That's that on the WAEC practice generator. So moving on, let's go back and work with the JAMB examination practice as well. Like I said earlier, go into the practice test generator. Okay, the practice test generator. Then let's make use of the autofill again. Okay, JAMB has been automatically selected. The difficulty level add 11 questions, English language. Then let's select the file I downloaded, the chemistry textbook I've been using so far. Okay. Alright, the textbook is in already. Fundamentals of organic chemistry, multiple choice, 120 minutes, and the additional notes. Since this one is being sorted, let's submit. Alright, now our JAMB practice test is ready. So here we are. Then we can as well follow the same method, the same ways, the same steps we used during the WAEC exam. You can as well edit it with Zaira. You can export it, and you can as well save to history. So let's export this one to as PDF. Alright, that is being sorted already. Before I go, our next class will be talking about another very important tool on AI tools. Alright, even though we have a lot of examination type, which you can still follow the same step we used for the WAEC and JAMB. You can follow the same step for TOEFL, for SAT, and for all other examination types.